we will be bringing even more exciting models to the Middle East. The Patrol are prime example. We are committed to the future of Patrol, and this launch shows our dedication. And for me, personally, being here reminds me of my early childhood in Egypt. That experience gave me a deep appreciation for the desert, the dunes, and the culture. It is also started by long love for automobiles. I strongly remember seeing supercars on the streets of Cairo in early 80s. I was so excited by them. But mighty 4x4s really captured my imagination. Even as a young boy, I could see their important role. They're more just than a vehicle. They connect families and communities. They're passed on from generation to generation. They enable people to travel and trade across tough environments. In short, they are a symbol of freedom. In particular, there is deep respect for Japanese 4x4s. This is the power of Japanese innovation, the spirit of from Japan to the world. One 4x4 stands above the rest, the Nissan Patrol. When I joined Nissan, I learned it was the first motor vehicle to climb up 2,500 meters of Mount Fuji in Japan. It was the first vehicle to cross the Simpson Desert in Australia. It was the first diesel vehicle to finish in the top 10 of Paris-Dakar Rally. The Patrol was go anywhere. It became both a need and a want. Last year, Nissan celebrated its 90th anniversary. As a company, our purpose is driving innovation to enrich people's lives. With its history of more than 70 years, the Patrol is a symbol of this purpose. It is our longest running global nameplate, sold in market all over the world. We have delivered more than 2 billion Patrols to the customers around the world, with each one creating stories of adventure, family, and community. Yes, the Patrol is tough, but it's more, it's an icon. Each generation delivers more comfort, technology, and refinement. That is the product of our people at Nissan. It is their passion and effort over many decades that brings this deeply loved vehicle to the market. Tonight, we are starting a new chapter. The all-new Patrol demonstrates our ongoing commitment to innovation and to exceeding your expectation. The 7th generation is a bold leap forward. It redefines what an SUV can be by blending performance, cutting-edge technology, and a strong presence. It is an off-road champion with premium and connected driving experience. To bring the best Patrol to you, a total of 5,000 designers, engineers in Japan and the UAE have focused on they want it looks bold and powerful. They want it feels refined and premium. The way it drives smooth on all terrains, the way it empowers your life totally connected. Thanks to these 4 elements, the all-new Patrol enables you to approach every journey with confidence, style, and capability. Here in Abu Dhabi tonight, we are so proud and so happy to bring the 7th generation to you. Here's the future of adventure, the all-new Nissan Patrol. Thank you for joining us. Shukran.